Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. Today we are doing month 8 of the dragon fruit quilt from Vet Quarter Shop. These are the blocks, or the units that we need to make our block. We've done all of these before, so I've got them put together, and this is how we are going to put it together. We're going to do this column, sew that together. We'll sew these together, attach this, and then put the two halves together. Now what they want you to do, this is for month 9, but I'm going to do this part ahead. You take the whole quilt and you cut it in quarters. Well, you don't cut it. So we're just putting 1/4 section together at a time. And that's how you put the quarter section together. And then when you've got all 4 quarters put together, sections, you're going to put them together. See, this block right here is going to be the middle of the quilt. Then in month 9, I'll get the fabric for the borders. But I am going to put this together today. In month 9, I will just give you an update of what the finished quilt looks like. Because then all I'll have to do is put the borders on and quilt it. So, but we're going to get this far today. So let's get to the sewing machine and get this put together. Okay, I'm going to start by putting these flying geese together. And these 2 pieces together. Okay, I'm going to press this way, and this will get pressed this way. Okay, so we have those 2 pieces. Now this one is going to go right here. So you got your dots together and your blue together. And I want to match those points. So I'm going to poke a pin in the point there and in the point here. And then I'm going to pin the other pieces or parts. And this, because it has points on both ends, is going to get pressed open. Now we're going to attach this to this unit, and these are going to match. And once again, I'm going to use the pin to line up my points. And this one will also get pressed open. Okay, then it will go together like this. You've got your little zigzag here. If you're not sure, double check. Make sure you've got everything correct. And these seams will go next to each other. I think they're pressed open. Nope, this one's pressed open. This one is not. So you need to match up these. Match up this point to this seam and this point to this seam. And that will also get pressed open. Okay, there's my block. Now we just need to put the quarter sections together. Okay, remember a moment ago when I said to make sure you have things in the right direction before you sew? Well, I didn't listen to my own advice. I had sewn this like this. It goes this. This points, this points, this points, this meets. And then these purples go together. So, now I got to put it back together again. Okay, this is what our quarter section is going to look like. I've double checked, they're all in the right orientation. So now I just need to sew it together. Okay, all the blocks are put together. It's pretty easy. It's pretty big. The quilt will end up at 84.5 by 84.5, but we still need the border fabric, and that doesn't come till month 9. So next month I'll do a short update and show you what it looks like with the borders on and bound and quilted. So until then, thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.